Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up email and notifications for Google Forms. First I'll come here and click on these dots, okay, for Google Apps, and then I'll choose Forms. I'll go and open up one of these forms that I have made. So I'll do this one right here, which I have multiple responses. So I actually got one response right here to show you. And to get email notifications, when you do get these responses are very easy. So these are the questions. All you need to do when you open up, you'll be on this page, right? Click on responses, and then you'll see these three dots at the top right next to link to sheets. Click on these three dots, okay? And you'll get a bunch of options. Make sure that this one is toggled on, okay? Click on get email notifications for new responses. Go ahead and select that. And as you can see, the email notifications have been enabled. Okay, whenever someone fills in a response, I'll get notified via email. Really that easy and simple.